Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I'll start with a brief overview of our department where we are working. We are working under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, wherein our office is called as Office of the Control General of Patents, Designs, Trademarks, and Geographical Indication. We are having different locations, patent offices, that is Kolkata, New Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai. Wherein PIS, that is Patent Information System earlier, now it is called as Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, where I am sitting and delivering the lecture. Here we are giving training to all the companies, lawyers, even foreigners, even any other MOU we are having with other countries for the examination procedure and practice of the patent law. We are having trademark office at Mumbai, Kolkata, New Delhi, Chennai, and additionally in Ahmedabad. Geographical indication, that is GI and appellate board, are located at the Chennai. This pictorial view of our offices, Mumbai, because you are jurisdiction in Mumbai, so you might have visited Delhi, Chennai, and Kolkata. This is our training center. Earlier, we used to give classroom training for the faculty, students, lawyers, but now because of COVID, we are also giving now online training for the everyone. This is our website, wherein you can get all details about the patents, designs, trademarks, and geographical indication. Here you can get all the forms, applications, fees, even the format of the application, how to write. That also can be searched, and you can get this. This is the key site where you can get everything what you need in the filing of all the different kind of intellectual property rights. Again, we are giving updates on the social media. That is, you can visit our Facebook at RGNIPM IPR. Again, we are having Twitter account also. In this, we are giving what programs we are carrying out weekly or 5 days once, monthly. We are having all the programs we are that many will be benefited out of this. Let us see what is intellectual property. Intellectual property is nothing but a product of mind. That may be while you are in classroom discussing with some topics, depend upon your subject, you may get solution to some problem. Or while you are carrying out the research, you can get some process parameter you are changing, catalyst you are changing, or in your product, if you are getting that something which comes you out of your mind, that is nothing but an intellectual property. Let us see what are different kind of intellectual properties. There are two type of properties, tangible and intangible. Intangible includes movable car, immovable buildings, wherein people think that if they have car, gold, plot, they are very rich. But there is another kind of intellectual property wherein you can get licensing, many royalty as compared to the other kind of property. Here, intellectual property again of different kind, industrial property and copyright. Industrial property includes patents,
आता
designs,
संध्याकाळी 8 ते 5
trademarks,
बरं का?
हो का?
8 ते 5
बरोबर.
नवीन
application. Please mute yourself.
लातूरसाठी.
Please mute yourself. Let us see what is the definition of intellectual property. It's a intangible creations, human intellect, having commercial value, asset like any other form of property. It means we are giving intellectual properties also asset like other form of property, that's car, gold, or plots. And we are having different kind of intellectual property right? That is exclusive rights. Always patent is called as exclusive right because once patent got on his name, he can exclusively use for licensing and other cannot he stop from using this. Therefore, it's also called as negative right. Patent is called as territorial right because once you are applying in India, it's valid only in the territory of India. If you want to file application in the foreign country to get a right over the other countries, then you are supposed to file different applications through patent corporation entity or by means of conventional application. Patent also called as a licensable right because once you are getting on your name, you can license to anyone whom you want. Therefore, this is an licensable right. What is the significance of intellectual property? It's avoid the duplication of research, encourage the creation of wide variety of intellectual goods. help industry to improve existing technology to produce better and cheaper products. At least for your students, if you're giving a research topic for the MPhil or PhD or carrying out some project, you are supposed to carry out the search in the databases. That you people being in the teaching field, you search in international journals, but you can also search in the patent office journal. Therefore, you cannot repeat your invention. Otherwise, you are sitting at Latur and I'm sitting in somewhere in Solapur carrying on same research may carry out because we are not searching properly. Chemical waste, energy waste, even economically. Therefore, it's always best to search even in the patent office journals what kind of improvement in particular field is going on in the field of patent technology. Utilize the published patent specification. Always, whatever patent published, that you have to read so that you can do improvement over that technology. Transferring the invention as a public property after expiry of term or cessation of patents. Only after 20 years of the term of your patent, anyone can use. After 20 years, you only can enjoy the right of that patents what you are getting, because that is given by the central government of India for disclosing everything. Providing reward as an exclusive right for disclosure. Many teaching faculties comes to us for filing the patent application. They say, sir, I am having 4 steps in my invention, but one of the steps is very crucial. I don't want to disclose you. It's not an application and a right way to disclose the application. You have to disclose everything. Then only you are getting right for that. Because after 20 years of term, any person can use your invention without any difficulty. He can carry out the invention. Therefore, it is must, as per section 10(4) of the Patent Act, you are supposed to disclose everything. What are the steps, including the crux of invention, should be given in the application. Royalty and technology transfer and license means once you are getting patent on anyone, you can get royalty by technology transfer or license to anyone. What is patent? Here, exclusive monopoly privilege are right granted by the government to the patentee for 20 years from the date of filing or priority for commercial gain in consideration of the full disclosure of his invention as a territorial right, not worldwide. It means 20 years you are getting the right when you are disclosing everything to the application, so that you are getting a territorial right, not worldwide. Because if you want to get protection in other countries where your invention can work or have an application, then you are supposed to file a foreign country's patent application. What is meant by discovery and invention? Many people very much confusion regarding the discovery and invention. Finding or exploring something which is already existed. Discovery as such has no technical effect. For example, we know the periodic table. We are having the different kind of metals. Somebody is isolating new metal and naming it also, but that is a discovery. It is already there. Just we are employing one of the method which is suitable for isolate that metal. That is that. But method as such can be patentable if it is new to isolate that particular metal. But metal as such is not an invention. It's a discovery. Another example is the isolation of bacteria from jute industry or cement industry or any kind of industry. That isolation of microorganism is what method you are using, what media you are using, what pH you are using. That method may be new, then you can apply for the patent application. But the access microorganism what you are isolating is a discovery, because it is already present in that nature, then it is not patentable. The isolation of compound from the medicinal plants. Then already we know that Azadirachta indica, that is neem plant, is having medicinal value. We know what is compound in that. Just we are isolating in that. That's a discovery. Therefore, always while filing a patent application, we should be clearly understand that what we are doing. We are doing invention or discovery. If want to invention, what should be there? What is invention? Always to a patent application, it should qualify. Invention means new product or a process. Always keep in mind. Many people ask questions. Idea is there. Some idea came to my mind. Is patentable? For getting a patent, it should be a new product or a process, and it should be useful, novel, and non-obvious, not public knowledge before the date of filing. Here in our publication of paper also, we did the same thing. Our paper should not be published in any other international journals or any other journals, so that we can publish our same way to an invention. It should be new, novel and it's not been the public knowledge. Simple example I will give here. Sharpener. In the year 1822, Mr. C.A. Boucher has filed patent for sharpener. Now every company is manufacturing sharpener because his term is over already. It is in public domain. But patent is a techno-legal document. Therefore, how he has written the claim? A tool for sharpening a pencil writing point by saving away its own surface. This is a way of writing the claims, how he has dropped it. And he has got patent for that. He might have enjoyed the right also. Another example is electric light bulb, which is perhaps one of the famous patent invention. It was awarded to Thomas Alva Edison in the 1878. Once the invention was in the year 1878, we have not stopped the research in the electrical engineering. We are getting now most advanced bulbs like LED bulbs, which helps to get less electricity by consuming the less electricity. What they are doing, they are improving over the technology, what is existing in the nature. Always, it's not always new. If you are doing something improvement, that also fulfill the requirement of inventive step, then definitely it can be patentable. Another example, the telephone. You might have seen this type of telephone in the old movies, pictures, wherein to connect our near ones or dear ones, 10 times you have to dial for that. But they got patent by the Alexander Graham Bell in the year 1876. By knowing this technology, our people in the software or electronics telecommunication not stopped. They are still working on that, and they got the phone, which are number phone, which I am having in the hand, number phone. So again, there we have to 10 times we have to directly dial our numbers. But we cannot take this phone also from hall to drawing room or kitchen anywhere, because this is to connected at the particular area. Therefore, there was again problem. Then again solution come that one phone came with the cordless phone that you can take from kitchen, hall, and we can move inside the house. Again, there was a drawback. We cannot take to the meetings or outside. Then again, solution came with the mobile phones. What is this? This is an improvement over the technology which is existing in the year 1876. Don't think that 1876 already phone was there. Why I should get patent for other companies? But Nokia, Samsung, Apple, all have got patent because there is technology is different. Since technology was already patent in the 1870s, because they are doing technological improvement over the technology what is existing in the year 1876. This is a Bluetooth. Till 1994, there was not a Bluetooth also. Nobody was developed or invented, but Geoff Hudson has invented this and got patent for this. Most common mistakes by the inventors. What inventors will do? They always publish their invention before filing the patent application. Don't do such type of invention. You go to the conferences, you deliver your lecture there. If you are having good idea, good work, don't use that. Use of the invention in public or commercial use of invention in public or even in secrecy to prior the filing patent application. Always maintain secrecy until you file a patent application. That may be with your colleagues, lab mates, or anyone else. Don't disclose. If you want to disclose, take a non-disclosure agreement with them. Therefore, your invention is safer side because no one can copy and they file before you. Wait until the invention is fully developed for commercial working before applying for patent. For example, you are not sure that your invention is working, having a worth, then wait until it fully develops. Don't go for the provisional application. I'll see in the next slides what is provisional application. Let us see another kind of intellectual property, design. Design means shape, configuration, pattern, or ornament, or composition of lines, or color, or combination thereof applied to any article, 2D or 3D, or in both the forms. Designs appealable to the eyes, beautifying a product, attract to consumer, mere functional or technical feature of the article are not considered design. Only how it looks. This is a very beautiful cup set with its design of flowers looks a very attractive to our eyes. Therefore, design is always a beautifying product. No technical feature is counted under the design. The term of the design is 10 years and can be extended for 5 years by filing Form 3, and you can get total term is 15 years. This is another kind of design where now we are using daily by sanitizing our hands. Another kind of different designs are ampoules, bottles, capsule size, thermometer, what you are using now for the measuring temperature while entering your premises. These are our registered designs. Textile designs you can see. Jewelry also you can see. These are different kind of designs already registered, or they are enjoying the right, means they are selling to others who need by licensing. Let us see what is another kind of intellectual property, that is trademark or brand name. Visual symbol, which may be a word, name, brand, numerical or combination of colors to indicate the source of the goods, to distinguish from the goods of the others or authenticity of goods, is called a trademark. Airtel, Coca-Cola, Reliance, Pierce, Tata, Bata. What is this? This is a branded one. By knowing that, once you go to Reliance Fresh, means we think, oh, it's good company, because we have branded that. We have given the value of that. Amazon is a good site for purchasing, that we people have made it as a branded because of their value, what is they are having. ICICI Bank, FedEx advertise the goods and services, protects the innocent public from buying the goods of second-rate quality. If we know the exact symbol or mark of that company, we can correctly get the good quality or original quality. For example, Adidas is a shoes company, but by changing the spelling or the way of writing, they give in duplicate quality, and we never read carefully. Just we read Adidas, but what is exactly spelling and how it is register mark, that we are supposed to, and we are getting the second-rate quality. Therefore, we must to know what is the exact register mark of particular brand before we purchase. R with encircled is a registered trademark. TM is trademarks applied for. Duration of registration of trademark is 10 years and can be renewed every 10 years subject to the usage. Another kind of intellectual property, geography indication. Place names used to identify the source of origin, quality, reputation, or other characteristic of products. Example, Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk sari, Kolhapuri chappal, Agra peda, Nagpur oranges. The term of protection is 10 years, can be renewed every 10 years. Now recently, mushroom of Kashmir has got GI tag, and Rasgulla of Bangladesh and Orissa has got the GI tag. This is a recent update in the GI. What is copyright? It's another kind of intellectual property. It provides its holders the right to restrict unauthorized copying and reproduction of an original expression, literary work, movie, music, painting, software, and the term of protection is life of the author plus 60 years. We know many books was written by the author, still they are getting the royalty. Many singers have been expired, but still they are getting the royalty for that, because the term is like that. Is the life of the author plus 60 years, they can get the royalty for that. This is a brief to differentiate whom the patent is granted. Only for the technologies which are novel, inventive, and industrial application, and it is a product or process. It is a product. Now you can see. Then you can give the patent for that. Design. Different mobiles are there. How it looks, that you can get the design. For different brands, you can give the trademark, and the copyright books, you can give the copyright. How the single product can be protected by the different intellectual property, so that other will not copy. For example, if you're starting your own business with some product, you have to register your shop name with mark and the product design, technology also. Here, we can take the Sony example, which was very excellent for the sound and picture at the time when we are in, when I was in 12th standard. It was the very famous TV for clarity also. So Sony company, what did it? They got the patent for remote control mechanism. Means nobody can copy, like Samsung cannot copy the technology of Sony. And trademark, Sony name as such got registered. Nobody can use this. And design, how it looks, also got registered by the design. And the instruction in the box has been copyrighted, so that no other company like Samsung will copy out the technology, nor design, nor the instruction of the Sony TV. So single product can be covered by judicially with everything, so that other will not copy. You can freely enjoy your right in the market. Here is this example for trade secret. What is trade secret? it is something which is disclosed only people who work in the particular company, not with the others. The taste of pizza, you can see from hotel to different hotel, or different Pizza Huts to different Pizza Huts. Why? Because they are having trade secret which add as an ingredient, and that is enhance the taste of pizza. Trademark, name of the company which is registered is trademark. Design, how it is prepared, and the patent is for the process of making fluffy dough. How fluffy the dough they are making, maybe by addition of some ingredients or using some machine to make it fluffy. And the instruction of this one is copyrighted. So single product can be protected by the different intellectual property rights. Again here, design. We can compare somebody having Oppo, Samsung, Nokia, different companies mobile with you. You can see design is totally different for each company. That design is registered. So that company of Oppo, Samsung will not copy out the others. And the technology, how much megapixel camera is there, that technology, the combination of hardware. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. I am getting disturbed. Hello, please mute yourself.
वर्षा मैडम कौन है?
Hello, can I start? Okay. Now this different kind of designs of mobiles have been registered. Technology also registered. So no one can copy, neither Samsung, Nokia, Oppo cannot copy each other patent, because they all have got protection by the technology, patents, design by design registration, and copyright are the instruction of them. So single product can be protected by the different intellectual property rights. What can do with the IPR? Become a patent agent if you are a science graduate. Every year our office calls for the patent agent examinations. So any science graduate is eligible to apply for that. He can work as a patent agent. If it's a lawyer, you can work as a trademark agent or copyright agent. You can work in the IPR policy, you can work in the IPSL, NGOs, the facility between Government of India and IPR firms are available in different cities, and you can join to the government office if you are chemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, and any B branch by giving the exams. Thousands of scientists and faculties, students can also be an inventor by simple approach. What they have to do? While carry out your research or a project, identify some problem. What problems are there in and around us? For example, in your kitchen, we are using gas cylinders. Once I put gas today connected to my gas cylinder, after 1 month, I'll check by lifting with both the hands at how much gas is remaining, so that I can book the next cylinder. Why so? We are in 21st century. We are in technological advanced era. Why we are using same technology? So somebody comes with a knob which indicates the pressure that's in solution to that problem. Then anyone can become an inventor for that. Or nowadays petrol and diesel are very costly. If somebody gives a car which runs on a water, that is problem which is solving, then that is an invention. The conversion of wind energy into electric energy by some means, that is a problem, you are giving the solution for that. The cleaning up garbages in the city by using bioeffluents or biologically modified microorganisms, that is solution to clean the garbages also. So that is solution you are giving, and you can name it as a genetically modified microorganisms for using garbage cleaning. So any problem, if you are giving solution for that, that is a patentable one. And also you can apply for patent if you are solving that, and always make a non-disclosure agreement with your lab mates. What can be patented? Every country is having different law of patentability. For example, method of treatment we are not giving, but other countries like US is giving the method of treatment. Here let us see what is patentable in India. All processes and products which are new, involving an inventive step. I'll tell you what is step later on. Capable of industrially applicable. not barred by section 3 and 4 of the Patent Act. Means section 3 and 4 says that some of the non-patentability criteria. Product includes that may be apparatus, device, machine, or chemical products. What is new? Invention should not be published in India or elsewhere. We never search only in India. We search all over the world where it is published or not. In prior public knowledge or prior public use within India. Claimed before in any specification in India or elsewhere. What is inventive step now? A feature of invention that involves technical advancement as compared to the existing knowledge, having economic significance or both, that makes invention not obvious to a person skilled in that. Here, I'll tell you one example for the economic significance. Another example is for technically advancement. For example, the process of preparation of beverages from grapes. You take example. Now I am using raw material as a grapes and other ingredients and producing an beverages. So the method which is there with me is already I am getting 50% yield. But now I am developing a method which I am getting 99% yield. That's an economical significance. Because you might have changing the temperature, pressure, pH, or any other catalyst you might have using so that you are enhancing your product. Therefore, that is called economic significance. And having technical advancement, already paracetamol is in the market. If you consume today, it takes 6 to 8 hours to reduce your fever. But somebody comes with a new composition of paracetamol, which can reduce your fever within 2 hours. That is nothing but an technological advancement in the paracetamol. So such type of inventions are there. Then it is fulfilling the requirement of inventive step. Person skill in the art. What is this? Here it means, for example, if I'm talking about the tablets, the pharma fellow is the person skill in the art. If I'm telling the process of preparation of some medicinal plants, then the chemist fellow is a person skill in that. He easily says it's it required an innovative skill or not. How we can say that your invention fulfilled the requirement of inventive step? Something surprising result. I told you the paracetamol 8 hours, it's taking 2 hours to reduce your fever. That is surprising results. Solution to a long-standing problem. If you are giving solution to long-standing problem, that is solution. The fulfillment of a long-felt need. We need a knob for our gas cylinders since long back, but nobody is using that. A great technical progress, something you are technologically making advancement, that is an indication of the non-obviousness. What is industrial application? Invention should be capable of being made or used in industry. There are section 3, which says that invention not patentable under section 3 of the Patent Act. Section 3A says any invention which is frivolous, which claim anything obviously contrary to the well-established natural law, not patentable. Machine that gives more than 100% performance, not an invention, because no one machine will give 100% performance. A machine alleged to be giving output without any input. Such will not invention. Therefore, it's not allowed in section 3A. Section 3B, invention, the primary or intended use or commercial exploitation of which could be contrary to the public order, morality, which causes serious prejudice to human, animal, or plant life, or health, or to the environment. For example, a device and machine for thefting, gambling, or method of adulteration. Such type of methods are not patentable because these are against the morality of the human being.
Sir, sorry to disturb you. Sir, your PPT is not been able to see, sir.
Just now?
Yes, sir. I mean, initially it was seen, sir. I mean, last slide we saw was what can do with IPR. That we saw.
Okay.
After that, it is black. It is black actually.
Okay. Just see, sir. Now,
Yeah.
now it's okay. Now.
Not
Now
yet.
you are able to see.
No, not yet,
Not
sir.
Please share and then share once again, sir.
Yeah, I'll do this, sir. I'll do this. त्याला स्लाइड दिसत नाही म्हणतात जरा लवकर
Yes, sir. It is visible now.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I'll go to the same. Hey, Rishi. Rishi. Yeah. So as per section 3, as I already discussed you, isolation of microorganisms or a compound, whatever we are doing discovery is not patentable. As per section 3D, the mere discovery of new form of a known substance, which does not result in the enhancement of the known efficacy of that substance, or the mere discovery of any new property or new use of a known substance, or of the mere use of a known process, machine, or apparatus, unless such known process result in the new product or implies at least new reactant. For example, salts, esters, ethers, polymorphs, metabolite, pure form of particle size, isomers, mixture of isomers are not patentable unless they differ significantly in the property with regard to the efficacy. For example, we know the aspirin tablets, earlier what the use of that, but now somebody is claiming for the cardiovascular disease. Then new use of a known medicine is not patentable under section 3D of the Act. Again, in Novartis case, the any compound is not showing efficacy over the base compound. Therefore, this Novartis drug for leukemia is rejected by the Chennai patient because it fails to prove the efficacy over the base compound as per section 3D of the Patent Act. Substance obtained by mere admixture, resulting only in the aggregation of the properties of the components thereof, or a process for producing such substance is not patentable. For example, a mixture of sugar and some colorants in water to produce soft drink is a mere admixture, resulting into the aggregation of the properties. But the combination giving synergistic effect are patentable. For example, if you carry out any research on the composition of different ingredients, then combination must show the synergy effect, means therapeutic value more. For example, we are taking 3 medicinal plants.
Sir, Suryansh sir, you have muted yourself. Unmute kara sir.
हॅलो
सर स्पेस बार दाबा, अनम्यूट होऊन जाईल तुम्ही. स्पेस बार.
हॅलो सर हॅलो हॅलो हॅलो
आता झालं का सर, आवाज येतोय?
हा येस सर येतोय येतोय.
पण ते ऑटोमॅटिक कोणीतरी केलं, मी टचच नाही केलं होतं त्याला.
हा ते इकडून हे झालं असेल.
Yeah, as per section 3 of the Patent Act, any process for the medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic and therapeutic and other treatment of human beings, or any process for similar treatment of animals to render them free of disease or to increase their economic value or that of their products is not patentable in India. Because still we consider method of treatment is against the once somebody's get patent, he will not allow us to use. Therefore, still we have not given patent for the method of treatment, but we are giving patent for the artificial limbs or device for surgery, diagnostic or patentable.
Dr.
For
Bharat,
example,
Dr. Bharat,
yes.
please share the screen, Dr. Bharat.
Again, it's sharing, sir. It's
Yes,
okay only.
yes.
Are you able to see? Hello.
Please share the screen. There is that green arrow, no? If you
Yeah.
click on that.
No, already shared, no?
It got off again.
Okay. Maybe some issues.
There's one green arrow on that.
Yeah,
If you
I know,
click,
sir. I know, sir, but I know, sir, automatically it's happening. I don't know why so. Now it's okay, sir.
not yet. I mean, first you have to open the screen and then share.
Yeah, I opened, sir. Same thing I'm doing. I'll call my assistant 1 minute.
Yes, please.
अरे परत त्यांना दिसत नाही, प्लीज ये ना लवकर. आणि इथेच थांब आता, होजेपर्यंत इथेच थांब, थोडंच आहे आता. ठीक आहे. Just wait, sir. First time it's happening. It never happened like this. बरोबर, त्यांना काय प्रॉब्लेम होतो, पहिलीच वेळेस होतं, कधी आपल्याकडे असं झालं नाही.
दिसते सर, आता दिसते. फक्त
ओके ना सर?
येस.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
हो. आपण 3 आयज होतो. मेथड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट ऍज सच इज नॉट पेटेंटेबल अँड method of treatment is not patentable, but whatever the device is coming, like X-ray machine or any other CT scan machine, such type of devices are patentable under section 3 of that. As per section 3J, plants, animals in whole or any part thereof other than the microorganisms, but including seeds, varieties and species, and essentially biological process for production or propagation of plants and animals are not patentable, because such type of patents for the plants and varieties are given protection under the Plant Breeders and Varieties Farmers Right Act 2002. Therefore, it's not covered under the Patent Act. As per section 3K, mathematical or business method or a computer program per se or algorithm is not patentable. Method of controlling traffic, scheme or method of bookkeeping, business method in the field of accounting, method of tax collection, computer program as such is not patentable under section 3K. Algorithm is also not patentable. As per section 3L, as I told you, literary, dramatic musical artist works, any other aesthetic creation, whatsoever including cinematography works and television productions are covered under the copyright, and the copyright office is totally different from the patent office. Copyright office is located at the Delhi of the same CGPDM. Section 3M, mere scheme or rule of method of performing mental act or method of playing game is not an invention. It is just method of learning a language, method of playing chess, method of teaching or method of learning is not patentable. Presentation of information, that may be any manner, means or method of expression, information whether visual, audible or tangible by words, codes, signals, symbols or diagrams or any other mode of representation is not patentable. Topography of integrated circuit is not patentable. As per section 3P, invention which in effect is traditional knowledge or which is an aggregation or duplication of known properties of traditionally known components are not patentable. Composition of methi as a tonic to bring down blood glucose level, use of turmeric for wound healing, the pesticidal and insecticidal properties of neem are not patentable. Once the application comes with a traditional knowledge, our examiners will search in TKDL library, that is traditional digital library we are having database. In that we put the penicillin name. If you are finding any one of the uses, then we will not give patent for them. As you know that Haldi patent was got by the US, but our Mashelkar committee has fought in the international court and it is revoked because the wound Haldi we are using since our ancestor, anything happens or cut our wounds we got, we are applying on that. Therefore, such type of inventions are not patentable under section 3P of the Act. As per section 4, no patent shall be granted in respect of an invention relating to the atomic energy falling within subsection 1 of section 20 of the Atomic Energy Act 1962. Example, invention related to compounds of uranium, beryllium, thorium, plutonium, radium, graphite, lithium, and more as notified by Central Government of India time are not patentable. What is the main content of your application if you want to file a patent application? Description should state in clear and intelligent language about the invention so that other may know about the monopoly of patent. So what you are writing, that others should know what invention is, and after the expiry of that, how they can perform your invention. And for every complete application, claim must important. What you are claiming, that is getting a protection. For example, every complete specification shall end with a claim or claims. Claim or claims must define the scope of the invention for which protection is claimed. What exactly you are claiming, that should be clearly given so that other will not pass your boundary, or they will not file, or they will not come across your invention. What are the objective of the claims? To define the clearly, precisely the exclusive rights required for you, define the scope of the invention, define the various necessary preferred and optional feature of the invention, to limit and not to extend the monopoly being granted beyond the inventive field. Claim should be always based on the matter disclosed in the specification. You are carrying out something and you are claiming something, that is not always. Claim should be supported by the description. First claim is called as principal claim and subsequent claims are called subordinate claims. Principal claim should define all the essential novel feature with their interconnections, and preferred or optional feature may be given in subordinate claims. There are different types of claims. Independent claim is called as process for preparation of cyclosporine. This is an independent claim. This is first claim. And if you want to give other features of that one, then the process as claimed in claim 1, wherein the temperature of this is this much. The process according to claim 1, wherein the ingredient of the process is so. So all the features you can give in the subordinate or dependent claims. I'll give an example. As you are having pen, everybody is having the pen they are daily using. So a foldable pen. Very simple example. You can touch, you can see the pen somebody using different companies having different pens, and you can check with that how the content they have written by the pen. Here, this is a drawing of the pen. This is form 2, that is called complete specification. Title a foldable pen, applicant so and so, address as you are to. In complete application, the preamble is the following specification, particularly describe the nature of the invention and the manner in which it is to be performed. This is a preamble, it should be written. This is field of the invention, what the invention is related to. The present invention relates to a foldable pen. As I am going, if somebody is coming with the process of preparation of tea, then you can write the field of the invention is the process of preparing herbal tea comprising so and so. What is the background? How the earlier pens are, how the disadvantage is having, so that he is coming with a new pen. Again, summary of the disadvantage he is giving about the older pens and as compared with his pen. Then you are getting the summary of the invention. Means always your application should have field of the invention, brief description, and summary of the invention, and what is the advantage over the prior art, means prior published documents. Again, if you take the statement of the invention, means what exactly you are claiming. A foldable pen comprising what is the pen is and how it is, a flat body of quadrilateral shape molded to form two longitudinal depressions in side body. Side depression act as hinges and defining three panels such that body may assume two distinct shapes, either virtually flat, quadrilateral object, or when folded hinges spring. Second part of the pen is hollow reservoir located in one of the panel for storing and dispensing the ink. Third part of the pen is writing tip extending into the reservoir for dispensing the ink. Here, only three parts of the pen you can check with your own pen. Only three parts are there, but how that parts have been described, that is very important, because always patent should be written in the techno-legal language. And the drawings, he is giving the brief description of the drawing, how they are interlinked with each other. Figure 1 is a perspective view of showing the pen. Figure 2 is a perspective view of showing the pen being grasped by the hand. Figure 3 is a section along plane 3. And how they are interlinked, as shown in figure 1, 2, and 3 with first panel, and how they are giving, how it works with the connection of 1, 2, 3 parts, that is giving in detailed description of the invention. Lastly, how you are claiming. Foldable pen comprising. I claim is single applicant. If university, college, we claim. If one or more than two fellows are applying, then we claim you are supposed to. Single fellow is applying, I claim. That is called preamble of the claim. A foldable pen comprising. What are the parts? Three parts I discussed with you. A, flat body of quadrilateral shape. B, hollow reservoir. C is a retinue. Only three parts pen is having, but how much pages the description has been written. That is a way of writing the description and the claims of the application. Second claim, a foldable pen as claimed in claim 1, wherein each panel is of the same size. Now he's telling my pen is not big, small. It is all is same size. Foldable pen as claimed in claim 1, wherein edges of the pen is beveled. Again, truncated. Claim 5, a foldable pen as claimed in claim 1, wherein the panel is having hollow reservoir, has a venting orifice opening into the hollow reservoir. Claim 6, a foldable pen as claimed in claim 1, wherein the pen tip is a ball point pen. He is telling all the feature of this pen, how it is. Lastly, foldable pen as claimed in claim 1, wherein the pen tip is a felt tip. Signature of the applicant and date must be there, otherwise you will get the objection that complete application is not dated and signed. This for the common example. I'll give another example. The invention relates to a process of preparing plant-based Ayurvedic formulation for the treatments of Parkinson's disease. So he says that there is already treatment is there for the Parkinson's disease, that is allopathic, but it's having side effects. What are those side effects? Such as gastrointestinal, nausea, anorexia, cardiac irregularities, orthostatic hypotension, weight gain, and psychiatric symptoms such as agitation, hallucination, delusion, and nightmares. Therefore, he wants to give a herbal solution to the Parkinson's disease. Is the main object of his invention. Now he's telling what are his three objectives are there. He's telling main object of the invention is to provide plant-based Ayurvedic formulation which does not have any side effects. Second object, he's telling that Ayurvedic formulation which can also be effectively used as a geriatric tonic, means can you take it as a tonic also. Another objective of his invention is telling that it is readily soluble in water, delicious and flavorous, means anyone children can also take that, because if flavor of that tonic is not good, the children will avoid to take. Therefore, he is telling his three advantages of his invention. What is the main part of this invention is? What he is doing? He is telling selecting the ripened seeds from Mucuna pruriens bark, that is Ashwagandha or velvet bean plant you can take, polarizing the side skin, mixing the beads into 80 to 90% with the Ayurvedic formulation, 20 to 10% by weight of the total formulation, antioxidant stabilizer. Here, main ingredient is the selection of the plant. Other stabilizer, antioxidants, vitamins, all are common. Only invention lies with the medicinal plant which is having a ability to cure the Parkinson's disease. Again, he is telling another vitamin C, vitamin E is ingredient he is adding. Stabilizers such as gums, polysaccharide, other known ingredients such as flavors, stacinians may also be mixed, but main ingredient is medicinal plants. And how he is claiming? A process of claim, because he's a company or one or two applicants, a process of preparing plant-based Ayurvedic formulation for the treatment of Parkinson's disease comprising the following steps: selecting ripened seeds of Mucuna pruriens, polarizing the seeds, mixing powder, and process of preparing plant Ayurvedic formulation as 10% with this, all telling the percentage, means all the steps he is claiming. Main company seed powder is 90%, antioxidant 5%, stabilizer is 5%. Another ingredient are vitamin C and E. So only within 3 to 5 claims he is completing his all process of preparation of a medicinal, or we can say Ayurvedic formulation for the treatment of Parkinson. This is here signature of the applicant if he is filing, or if you are filing through the agent, the signature must be required. If you are claiming compound, this is a Pfizer company. If you are claiming compound, you can claim like this: compound of the Formula 1, wherein X is oxygen, N is an integer, R1, R2 means it is called as Marcus type of claim. How much compounds you want to claim, that you can claim this, but all should be supported by the description. How much possible compound that you are supposed to carry out the experiment. For example, hollow compound, chloro, fluoro, any one of the, at least one example should be there. You cannot simply say that C1 to C6 alkyl RL is there. So this is the way of writing the compound claim. Again, process of claim. Here, process of preparing trifluoromethanic esterethyl 2-hydroxyphenyl butyrate of Formula 1 with reacting this Formula 2 and then coming to the final Ranbaxy application. Composition, if you want to claim this CIPLA, a pharmaceutical composition which comprises azilistine or saltdera and steroid, and the composition being in the form of suitable for nasal, ocular administration. Composition according to claim 1, which is an aqueous suspension or solution. Again, other feature is telling composition claim 1 or 2, which is an aerosol, ointment, drop, nasal spray, inhalation. Means he's not allowing other person to do any other form. He's claiming all nasal form, spray, oral. Means how much possible it is, he's claiming, so that other pharma company will not come in the other form. Cipla is claiming everything in the form of insufflation powder. Composition according to any claim 1 to 4, wherein the steroid is beclomethasone or ester thereof. Means claiming compound plus ester also is in use, he is telling. Means other competitor will not copy any one of the ingredient of this composition. Now, how to file a patent application? Who can first file? As per section 6, any person, natural, individual, foreigner, or company can file a patent application. That may be small entity, startup, anyone can file a patent application. How to file? You can visit to the patent office, you can file, or we have given the facility since July 20, 2007, online filing. You should have a digital signature, then you can file a patent application by sitting in your own lab or house. Always filing is dependent on the jurisdiction. Mumbai covers state of Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Chhattisgarh, Union Territory of Daman-Diu and Nagaland. Means you are in Maharashtra, so you are supposed to file in Mumbai. So they are having different jurisdiction. Depend upon that, they can file their application. What are the documents required? Form 1, proof of right, provisional application. If idea as soon as comes to your mind, and you're filing the application, that is called provisional application. If you want to give Form 3, if you are filing for an application, what is the status of that? If you want to give, then Form 3 is required. Declaration of inventorship, that is Form 5. As you add your friend's name in the paper publication, same way if you want to add somebody's name, you can form as a Form 5 and declare that they are the inventor for this invention. Form 18 for request for examination. You must file Form 18, otherwise we will not examine your application. Drawings, if any, sequences, DNA or protein sequences, abstract of the invention should be given, fees in the form of check or DD, or you can pay online also. These are compulsory. Form 9, if you want early publication. Form 26, if you are authorizing for the agent, then you can require. And conventional application certificate is required for the PCT application. Very less fee for filing, 1,600 for natural person, 8,000 for the others, up to 30 pages. If you are crossing more than that, RS 160 per page, and per claim 800. For each claim in addition to 10, 320 per claim, and for the companies 1,600 per claim. If you are filing hard filing, it means physically filing, then additionally 10% fee is required. Means online filing means 10% discount in filing. This for Form 18, 4,000 for natural person, 20,000 for the other than the natural person. As this is for express request of publication, if you want to publish your application early, then individual has to pay 2,500 and company has to pay 12,500. Once the application published, that date of application, your name, title, how many claims, classification, and abstract will publish in our official journal. By knowing this, anyone can come in the form of pre-grant opposition. If you want to early examination, Form 18 is a must. Who can apply? While filing PCT, if India is choosing as International Search Authority or International Preliminary Examination Authority, then you can file Form 18A, or applicant is a startup, or as per 2019 rules, one of the applicant can be ladies, then you can apply. Government organization and institution can also apply for Form 18. Individual 8,000 and for company 60,000. Within 1 month, you will get the report. If you want to get forms, you can visit to www.ipindia.nhc.in. If you want to file online, you can go ipindiaonline.go.in, so that you can file even online also. This is a flow chart from date of filing the application. What is the procedure? Once you file a patent application, it's go for digitization, then screening and classification. Screening and classification, we follow the International Patent Classification System, so that we are having automatic allotment system. The file will go to the particular field exams, electronics, physics, electrical, or biomedical engineering. Depend upon the field, the file is allotted to the examiners because of its classification. Once you file, it will go for early publication, those who are filing Form 9. Otherwise, it will take 18 months for publication. Then any person can file a request of opposition. If you are copying from somebody or some books, and that anyone can file an opposition, that is called pre-grant opposition. Then once you file a request for examination, we allot for the examiners. Examiner will send you the objection, that is called FER. You have to reply within 6 months. If you are not able to reply, file a Form 4 and take the extension of 3 months, and you are supposed to file the request reply for that. Otherwise, it is abandoned. If reply is okay, then it is grant or grant. If reply is not okay, then it is for refusal also. Then again, after grant, it will go for the publication of the application. Again, then post grant of publication, within 1 year of publication, any interested person can oppose it. Means while getting the patent, once any person can oppose, that is pre-grant. In post grant, only interested person. Interested person is, for example, drug patent. Cipla company is filing patent, then Ranbaxy can file a application, or Bharat Serum can file a patent, or Bharat Biotech can file a opposition, because they are in the same field. Person interested means who is in the same field. Then depend upon that, it is once opposition file, we constitute opposition board. There are 3 officers, then they will give the recommendation on that. Then whatever the opponent's grounds are there, we give to the applicant, file the reply, again reply to this, again applicant will give the reply for the opponent's reply. Then finally, we take a hearing, means call both the parties, that is called post grant hearing. Depend upon that, if they are showing the merits of the case, then it is granted, otherwise it will be refused. What is the role of intellectual property system? Encourage for improvement of technology. Always if you are filing means it is improvement of the technology. Providing reward as an exclusive right for disclosure. Making profit or earning royalty through putting the invention to practice. Transferring into the public property after expiry of term of session of the patent. What to do by knowing different kind of intellectual property, their interlinked relations, how to file, and what is the everything you are know. Now don't wait. Share the benefit of patent system in community, in college, wherever you go. Utilize the resource through organization R&D activities. Capture the global market judicial elements before coming in the market. Protect through different intellectual property rights, as I show you different examples. Capture, earn profit through the protected market. Thank you. Any doubts you can ask, please.
Dear delegates, now the session is open for discussion. If you have any questions regarding IPR and patent, your questions are most welcome. You can unmute yourself and ask the question.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, sir. Myself, Dr. Bharti Patil. I wish to ask one question. Suppose we have already disclosed the material that we want to publish or patent, then what to do?
Now, how many years? If you are having your own research paper, within 1 year of the disclosure, within 1 year of the disclosure, not beyond that.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Sir, you have delivered a very interesting and useful lecture to us. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
You have shared all details.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
My duty is to encourage you people to file, because when I was a researcher, I could not have filed because I am unaware of the patents. I could not file any patent on my thesis. So at least you being and Shaw College, I know I am nearby you people only. I know how the college is, how much get admission. So you should also have a patent.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is Deshmukh from Pune.
Yes, sir.
Sir, if I file my patent, say I am in the process of filing a process patent.
Yes.
After the process patent is filed and application number, I can put and publish it because it's also part of my PhD work.
Yes, you can. Once you file, you can do anything. You can disclose anywhere. You can go. Once you are filing means you got the right of patent. Means once you are filing means first you are filing.
So after I file my patent, I can publish it, na sir?
Yes, you can. You can.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm Sindhu from Mumbai. I have already applied as part of my PhD 3 patents, and they are in process now.
Which subject, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Which subject? In chemistry, mechanics?
I'm from computer science and mostly into the mathematical models. So 3 are in process, and the first one already the first evaluation report has come, and we have sent the reply for that, and 2 are still in process. So my query is that all patents, being a part of my PhD work, it is the first investigator is definitely my guide, and definitely under the research center I'm doing, and I'm coming as a second investigator in that case application. So in that case, what will be the difference for both the investigators? Because somebody told that only first investigator will be valid and second will not be. Is it that case, or is there any difference when 2 people are submitting it together?
No, see, for you are as a student, see, you are filing on your research, na? Your guide is first to give you PhD only, but patent is totally because we are having very database. Our exams are very expert. Your guide may not talk about that much expert, that much objection will put, because we are been specialized and we have been like anything to search whether you are really doing new things or not. So our report is different from your guide. Your guide may give you the PhD, but getting patent is very difficult.
No,
if
sir,
it is not,
my my query is that can 2 or more people apply for the patent together?
Yes, they can apply.
Yeah.
No problem. You can.
Yeah,
that
because
can.
when I applied it in some other place, no, they were saying that the first investigator will be having the value and all in other domain, not from the patent office.
Oh,
In the
not like that.
academic, yeah.
Not like that. Patent is different.
Okay.
Academic, your people are considering for the project.
Okay. Thank you. That's what I want. And sir, it was a very informative session. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Any more questions, please?
Yes. Any questions, please? I hope there are no questions now. Now I request the co-convener of this workshop and Honorable Vice Principal of our institute, Professor Sadashiv Shinde sir, for his presidential address. Sadashiv Shinde sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Sachin Bhandari. Good afternoon to all of you. One-day online workshop on intellectual property rights and patents, organized by IQAC and Institutional Innovation Council of Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya, Latur, in collaboration with Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Intellectual Property Management, Nagpur. Heartiest welcome to our autonomous institution. Honorable Principal of our Autonomous College, Mahadevji Gavane sir, resource person of the today's workshop, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, organizing secretary, Dr. A.J. Raju sir, convener and IQAC coordinator, Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, organizing committee members, Dr. Om Prakash Shahpurkar sir, Dr. Suresh Phule sir, Dr. Deepak Vedpatak sir, Dr. Anuja Jadhav ma'am, Dr. Sachin Bhandare sir, Dr. Renuka Londe ma'am, Sri Suryakant Maske, Sri Satish Chavan, Sri Jagannath Shirsagar, and all dear participants. Dear participants, this is our autonomous college. IQAC coordinator of our college, Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, has already added number of features of our college. We have consistently excellent results both at junior and senior college level. We are proud to be the pioneers of Latur pattern, which has become famous throughout the Maharashtra. Friends, we have generated the Latur pattern. This is not the result of one night. This is the result of the 50 years. Friends, this year we are celebrating our golden jubilee year. When we have started our journey before 50 years, we have started our journey with the go down of the goods. With the help of the persistent efforts, dedication, devotion, hard work, and painstaking efforts, we have transformed the go down of the goods into the go down of knowledge. And this go down of knowledge is nothing but the Rajarshi Shahu Mahavidyalaya, Latur, which is known for its Latur pattern in education. Friends, a result of our autonomous college is also very best result as compared to all other colleges. Here, this is the workshop on intellectual property rights. At the onset, I congratulate Dr. Abhijit Yadav and IQAC cell of our institution. The resource person, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, has added number of the details related to the IPR. Actually, the presidential talk is nothing but having an overview of the earlier aspects. We came to know number of aspects related to the IPR. Dr. Suryavanshi has added number of aspects, informative aspects. Intellectual property is intangible creation of the human intellect. The most well-known intellectual properties are copyrights, patents, trademarks, trade secrets, etc. Intellectual property protection is critical to fostering innovation. Intellectual property rights are the rights given to the persons over the creations of their minds. They usually give the creator an exclusive right over the use of his or her creation for a certain period of time. Intellectual property rights are legal rights that provide creators protection for original works, inventions, or the appearance of the products, artistic works, scientific developments, and so on. The main purpose of intellectual property law is to encourage the creation of a wide variety of intellectual goods. We came to know the difference between the patents and different kinds of the other aspects. We came to know that there are three types of the patents: utility patents, design patents, plant patents. Patents usually last for 20 years. We also came to know the difference between the copyright and the patent. Copyright is an automatic right which protects original literacy, dramatic, musical, and artistic works. A patent is a registered right that gives the owner exclusive right to features and processes of inventions. He also added some examples of the patents, and all those examples were also very informative and useful examples. Inventions, the part of utility patents, ornamental designs for articles of manufacturers, the part of design patents, design for the sole of running shoes, design for water fountain, etc. are the design patents. Utility patents or patents for invention are the most common patents, and they are very important patents we came to know. Patents do expire after 20 years. Patent gives you the right to stop others from copying, manufacturing, selling, or importing invention without the permission. Copyright protects original works of authorship, while patent protects inventions or discoveries. Patent is important because it can help safeguard your invention. Right to apply for the patent can be transferred to another also. Patent is considered as intangible asset. By having all those features, we came to know that the inventions are different and the discoveries are different. Discoveries are not
शिंदे सर अनम्यूट झालात, अनम्यूट. शिंदे सर म्यूट झालात, अनम्यूट करा.
just unmuted, na?
Yes, yes.
Here, with these various kinds of the discussions, we can conclude that with reference to these discussions, it can be said that an idea can be patented if it can later be transformed into an invention. Here, friends, really the resource person is actually the resourceful person. He enlightened number of participants and exactly got about the knowledge about the IPR and patents. Thank you, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir. Thank you, organizing committee, for giving me an opportunity to chair this session. Thank you all, and congratulations for grand success of this workshop. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Bhandari sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your views on this workshop. And dear delegates, the feedback link for certificate is sent in the chat box. It will be open for 1 hour. So please fill up the feedback link so that you can get your certificate of this workshop. Now I call upon Honorable Dr. Suresh Phule sir, the Chairman of Research Committee of our institute, to propose the vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, Sachinji. Okay, good afternoon to everybody. Now today, one day online workshops arranged by our college and IQAC coordinator. This workshop, the resource person of this workshop, Dr. Bharat Suryavanshi sir, I am personally thank you and especially behalf to my institute. Your lecture is very, very intelligent for the newcomers who is the incoming research area. So I once again very, very thanks to you for your valuable lectures. And I am thanks to my honorable principal sir, chairman of this one day workshops. They give us the valuable time. And today's workshops chairman, our vice principal, Dr. Sadashiv Sinde sir, and other administrative persons, Dr. Vice Principal Raju sir. I thanks him and our very dignitary persons, our institute. Also, they give us their valuable times, and our college IQAC coordinator is a very, very active person. He very short period he arranged the one day workshop, this workshop. So I am also thanks to our coordinator, IQAC coordinator, Dr. Abhijit Yadav sir, and also I thanks to our organizing committee, total committee, Dr. Shapur sir, Ved Patak sir, Anuja madam, Sachin Bhandari sir, Renu Kalwandi sir, Surikant Moske sir, our office operator, bearer Satish Chavan sir, and Dr. Jagannath Shirsagar sir. I also thanks all of you. And with kind permission, chairman of this session, I conclude this session. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Suryavanshi sir, thank you.
हो सर
Yes,
थँक्यू
thank
व्हेरी
you so
मच.
much. Thank you.
छान झालं.
Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
छान झालं.
हो, लिस्ट ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स पाठवून द्या मला.
हो सर हो सर हो सर देतो हा. हो सर.
With their email ID. List of participants with their email.
यस सर. थँक्यू व्हेरी
Can I
मच.
leave the Can I leave platform?
Yes, sir.
Yes. थँक्यू सर. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.
Doctor?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I don't know.
डॉक्टर खूप छान.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Dear participants, the feedback link is in the chat box. You can submit the feedback and you will get the certificates on your registered email ID within 2 to 3 days. Thank you once again for your overruling response.
Yadav sir.
Yes, sir.
Best, very nice. Best, nice organization.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. आपल्या सगळ्यांच्या सहकार्याने
ओके डॉक्टर आता लिहायचं लिहायचं ना
फीडबॅकच्या लिंक साठी आपण फीडबॅक लिंक दिली त्याच्यासाठी आपण 5 मिनिट सुरू ठेवतोय.
बरोबर
घ्या पार्टिसिपंट्स आणि नंतर आपण एंड करतोय.
मॅडम कॉफी घेतली ना? आ जाता फुर्सत से आ जाता ऐसे नहीं आपके आना है होगा तो कैसे फुर्सत से आना पड़ेगा.
अनम्यूट करा म्यूट करा.
नहीं सर ये देखिए कुछ इतने काम है
पेंडिंग काम तो हो ही रहे ना पीछे कट रहा है कि जो पड़े थे पेंडिंग वो तो सब
Dear participants, please submit the feedback so that you will get a certificate. Else, you will not get the certificate.